Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker in the Netherlands. There, Elmar, Edwin. Goedemorgen. Muscle aches today because we are rearranging the workshop. Make it nicer, make it overall just nicer. So the guillotine machines have plastic socks. There they are. We're gonna make them the sides and the feet one color, so they mix together more nicely. And for the rest, the workshop is a complete mess, but it is going to be okay once. The cleaning machines, we made a small corner here. The 3 cleaning machines, the one we use all day, every day. The pre-rinse machine, because, well, you've seen the watch is completely drenched in oil. Well, then we use the pre-rinse before it goes into the normal cleaning machine. And here is a small vibrosonic. That's for cleaning parts we've just made on the machines. So new parts. We've got oil and coolant and stuff like that. So we use that machine for cleaning the parts we just made. Here, well, the new member of the family. You see, it is a complete mess. And for a watchmaker, that makes you... So we have to rearrange stuff here. Can I show you the lovely machine we picked up yesterday? Milling machine. It is very close related to the Aciera, but more affordable. Simple as that. Lovely stable machine. And that's why I fell completely in love with it. It is a Dutch brand, AI, Artillery, and so weapon manufacturer originally. The previous owner was 94 years old, and he said, well, for the last year, I couldn't see it, so I have to sell my baby. And the way I really wanted this machine is because of this. And this. Especially with this cutter, and you can use a file in it as well. I'm not sure, kotteren. So all the goodies are there, and we picked it up yesterday. Well, another machine, so we have to play Tetris in the workshop. Place everything on it. So, and that's why the muscle ache. We had to turn the huge safe 90 degrees, and I think it's about 2,000 kilos. It was so heavy, but we managed, the 3 of us. And then, oh yeah, there's another addition, of course. Here we have now the, of course, it is a complete mess, so sorry about that, but it's an in-between video. And then within a few days you can see how beautiful it is. Here we have the 3 Chablais machines, 70 and 2 102s. The Myford 10 is here, but I prefer it to be in the back again. So this is a temporary setup. Over here, because the safe is turned 90 degrees, there is the polisher, high grade polisher. That is in its definite place, but the rest isn't. The glass cutter, we have to see where we got to fit it. Fat Bertha isn't going to be placed. That is just its position. It's so nice, stable. So incredibly accurate. So we're not going to touch that. It's perfect. There the pantograph is probably going to be placed here. And that new milling machine is going to be next to our Decal FP. It is so cramped, we have to create some space. So there's the Decal FP, the larger version, the big brother of the new milling machine we just purchased. And I think you've seen this gear hobber. We got that last week. We have a gear cutter over there that cuts in between the teeth. And this is a gear hobber. And you can see it like a worm wheel turning. And that is usually for pinions. Maybe you can see the cutter over there. It is just a lovely machine. I'm cleaning it now. We have to disassemble it, make it more accurate. And yeah, we make it a one unite color, most of the machines. The decals usually are green, except for Smoetsige Helmut, which is gray, and a decal as well. But you can see it is a complete mess. But we get there. Over here, the huge, as in huge, air cleaner. So it sucks the air and the dust and the particles. That is a biggie and perfect. It's got large socks in it, so it catches all the dust from the other machines. We are going to get rid of that one. It's just too big, too clunky, so that one is going to be removed. This one is going to be removed, and finally we get some space. The polishing room is to our liking, with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spindles, very lovely to work on. So we are trying to organize this mess, and then, well, it will look nice, but it will be so much nicer to work in and, well, to create our own watch. Every single part made here in the workshop. There is a school cabinet and all the stuff that was in there, because it's simply too heavy to work on. All the things for Smoetsige Helmut, for the 3D copying machine. We are not really using that one and that one, so they are going to be way in the back. And this is really precision drilling. So this one is going to stay. So that's the common state of our workshop. One complete mess, but we get there. It's going to be nicer, easier to work in, and 2 lovely machines into the family. So that is what we are working on now. And I love the high precision primary drive. So we are going to clean all the goodies. And then, yeah, get acquainted to it, get to work on it. But the most important thing, the safe is in the right place finally. Cleaning machines are in the right place. So all we have to do is clean up this mess and work on watches again. I hope you enjoyed the small tour. the 2 new additions to the workshop. And hope to see you soon. See ya. Bye-bye.